Did you know you can create a custom invitation just by tapping a prompt on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Your phone can generate invitation design based on a short description that you provide. Let me show you how it works. First, open Creative Studio from the app screen. Under Creative Studio section, swipe through and tap Create Invitation button. In the Describe what you want to create field, type a short description for your invitation. If you want, you can also change the style by tapping the styles icon above the text field and selecting the design style you prefer. As an example, let's use childhood sketch. After that, tap Generate. Your phone will now create an invitation design based on your prompt. Once the design appears, you can add text by tapping the decoration icon. Then tap Text. Now type your invitation message. For example, you can enter details like the event name, date and time, and location. If needed, you can customize the text by adjusting the size, alignment, color, and font style. Then tap outside the text area to apply the change. You can also resize or move the text to adjust its position. Once you are done, tap Done to save your change. When you are satisfied with the invitation, tap Download icon at the top right, and then select Save in Gallery. And that's how you create an invitation using an AI prompt on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.